Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to open a new account on your iOS device. To begin, visit our website and click on Open an Account. Enter your email address twice to confirm it's correct. Remember to type it manually. Next, enter your first name, middle name, and surname. Now choose your trading platform, either MT4 or MT5. Select your account type. In MT4, you can choose from standard, micro, or EX accounts. In MT5, there's an additional option for a crypto account. Now, choose your preferred currency. Create a password with 8 or more characters. You can include symbols and numbers for added security. Click Check the content to review your details. Review the information you've entered. If everything looks correct, complete the CAPTCHA verification. Click the button to submit after agreeing to the terms of use. You will see a message saying, "Email address registration completed." However, you still need to verify your email address. Access your email account and open the email from IS6 Technologies Limited. Click on Authenticate your email address. Congratulations! You have successfully created your account. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!